sweet little fellow is named Oscar Pistorius. And if you are a sports fan, you will know that the real Oscar is an Olympic champion. He runs fast, and he does it as a para-Olympian. Well, our little Oscar has something in common. You see, our little Oscar has only 3 legs. His 4th leg is cut off near the knee. We don't know whether that's a birth defect or whether something happened to him when he was very tiny, but at any rate, it doesn't slow him down. He does everything all the other kittens do and gets in just as much trouble. He's curious and explorative and friendly and fun and playful, and he doesn't know that he's any differently able than anyone else. He's here with his brother, Usain Bolt. Usain is named for the fastest man in the world, and Usain Bolt, our Usain Bolt, may indeed we give him a run for his money. Wouldn't you, Usain? If you're looking for 2 very rambunctious, energetic, playful guys, 2 wonderful little kittens, then come on down to Wayside, say hello to Oscar and his buddy Usain. We think you'll fall instantly in love. We sure did.